Hello, it's Nasaimi back on Glam Care Academy. So today I thought about doing an unveil unboxing. So I started to do it before I realized, wait, hold on, I need to share it with my family. So let's see, am I able to turn this phone? So I did tell you guys I got a place, but I'm not ready to share it yet. I mean, it's all raw, but I don't care. I'll show you. But right now, let's do this unboxing. I just got this nice Magic Chef refrigerator, which is a must. You need to have it if you're going to be into aesthetics, because there are things you're going to want to have in the fridge. Okay, like your lotions, your creams. I do teeth whitening. Your whitening gel should be in the fridge. So let's go ahead. How can I flip this? I don't know how to flip the phone. I'm just gonna have to stop and edit. Okay, bear with me, family. This is it. So this is the new the Magic Chef fridge that I got. It's really cute. Now I wanted something smaller, but then my husband found this. I think it was at Home Depot, either Home Depot or Lowe's, but I think it's Home Depot. And I can wait. Let me place this phone where it ought to be, and then we'll take it from there, and then we can go in. Okay, so this is the packaging. Okay, Magic Chef. And so I did cut off some ropes already. That's what I did to hold it together. And then we're just gonna take this from the top. So let me pause this here. So I'm hoping that you guys can see me. So I'm gonna be taking the box off. Okay. So I told you already took some of this off before. I was like, oh God, no, I want to share with my family. So don't mind, like I said, it's a new shop. You all can see it have boxes and stuff. But anyway, I hope you can still see me. I'm probably gonna get okay, so far you're still getting me? Okay. So we leave this on. Remember, you gotta leave this on. It's got information that you need. And isn't it cute? Let me see if I can bring this closer. I'm sorry. This is, I hope, okay. Can you see it? Even though you can't see my head. I'm just gonna, so this is, oh, isn't this great? This is the freezer. Okay. And this is the, I think I'm gonna pause a little bit so you guys can see. So I'm actually holding it now so we can go to the eye level. This is so nice. I haven't even taken off all this blue stuff. But anyway, when I opened it, so do you all see the height? It's I'll probably flip the camera so you can see how tall it is. I'm taller than it, but this is it. So you can actually put something on top. So you'll tell me what you think I should put on the top of it. But anyway, so I opened the freezer. That's the freezer right there, and this is the fridge. So you can have water, because I do offer water to my clients. And some of my clients, for those that are non-body contouring, sometimes, because I do, for those of you who don't know, I also, I do lashes. I actually started with lashes. I think I shared that with you guys. But then I entertain also in my store. I intend to. We do sometimes we do scripts, conferences, and whatever. So you can have wine. For those who want to drink wine, a glass of red wine every day is not bad for you. What's this? Sticking to my finger. That's what happens when you're trying to multi this video to be too long. But what is this? Oh God, it's sticking to my head. Oh, okay. So that's where you have your water. So you've got the manual here. I'm trying to think how much this thing is. I'm gonna put water in here. But I think it was under $300. It was on sale. It was under $500 for sure, that I do know. And then I'm gonna take all this off. Anyway, I'll take it off because now this is sticking to my hand. I mean, what does that mean? Oh God. Don't you hate it when things like that happen? And then the cord is right there at the back. I'm sorry. Taking out of focus. Where is the cord? Oh Lord. Anyway, I don't want to pull it out. The cord is somewhere there. And then I'll just, of course, attach it to the wall. But anyway, so that's the unboxing you did with me. So just a quick sweep. So I remember this here, believe it or not, is Wayfair, but I did get it from a yard. Was it a yard? No, it was a moving sale. I got it from a lady. I can't remember how much it was now. So that's some of the places you want to shop. You want to shop for things, unless you have a bunch of money to spend, then you can go get new things. There are people who want that, but there's nothing wrong in scouring Goodwill, garage sale, moving sale, stuff like that. This was, I think I actually got this through Amazon Marketplace for a fraction of the price. This screen right here, it's like almost $200. I got it for about $50 maybe. So that's a good deal. But anyway, I'll come back later and we'll go through my stuff. But I just wanted to do a onesie. Oh yeah, that's a mirror. Oh, that's another mirror I got. Do y'all see this? I got this mirror here from, where did I get it from? IKEA. IKEA is a good place to go to. I'm gonna give you guys my places where I get stuff from. Amazon is always good. Now this chair right here, I have this is my teeth whitening station. But I do have another chair, which I need help bringing in, but so far I need to go with business. Business must go on. So I'm using this, which I have used when I was doing mobile services because I couldn't carry the big chair. You can use this. It's comfortable. My patients use it and they're fine. It is great. Okay. That is from Bed Bath & Beyond. Anyway, yeah. Okay. This is my ring, which I video with. Okay, so I'm back on to myself right now. Oh, something I want to share with you guys. Did you all see this bandage wrap, which I do have on my website, glamcareacademy.com? I'm telling you, if I don't have this, I will literally break, like just break. You all know I have sciatica, lower back pain and all that. I mean, look, I've been a nurse for over 20 plus years. This will help any nurse, help any esthetician, anyone that is into hardcore, wanting to support your core. I need that for me. You want to be snatched beyond belief. Okay, can you all see it? I'll probably talk about this. I might just talk about my product. This is not the only product I carry. Go to glamcareacademy.com. I do have this. It's flying off the shelves. I mean, seriously. Do you all see this? Oh, I'm blocking the thing. I'm telling you. And for if you need the oomph, it gives you that. I'm gonna talk about this later on. But I wanted to do that unboxing. Now I'm gonna have to. Oh, let me pause this. My country music has been playing in the background. I didn't even realize that. Okay, so now I don't even know what I look like right now. I don't know, but we're almost done. So I wanted to do the unboxing thing with you guys. I hope you all liked it. Again, it's me sharing things. I'm gonna go clean up a little bit or not. So you're just part of the growth, how I'm arranging my studio, and any advice you can give me, I'm so open to it. Thank you so much, my lovelies. It's always an honor just to have you guys. You guys have been there and you're rooting for me, and I'm rooting for you. In subsequent videos, I'm going to have other people in this field, people starting businesses, people in businesses, to come share their own experiences, their struggles, their challenges, and their success stories. I really want to empower and just, you know, have that support momentum, putting it out there, because guess what, it comes back. Okay, I've met lovely people in this profession, just as I have in nursing. There are good and there are bad. We'll be talking about that in the next video, but until then, be safe, be kind, and keep the hustle going.